Passive income can have a huge impact in your life. If you're able to find a way to generate money this way, you have so much more free time to do other things and make even more money. This strategy that I'm going to share with you today will require a small amount of work beforehand for it to then become a fully automated passive income generator. Today we're going to be using Audible and affiliate marketing to make money. We don't need to be selling anything or any real products either. We simply need to be using affiliate marketing and Audible at the same time. Even when someone isn't going to be purchasing something from Audible, we can still make money. So this form of affiliate marketing is called CPA marketing. CPA marketing is slightly different to the general affiliate marketing. Rather than selling a course, software or product, CPA marketing means cost per action. So you promote the action. Instead of waiting for the sale, you only need a singular action to make money. So this can range from getting someone's email, someone's number, or just a sign up to a website. And this is why this type of method of making money can be very powerful, as we need a lot less from the customer. All we need in this case is a sign up, which requires very little effort from a customer. Now you understand what we're going to be doing, I want you to head to Audible Affiliates. You'll then be able to find this page here. If you can't find this exact page anywhere, then go to the bottom of Audible, go right down to the bottom, and then you'll find this link that says Affiliates. This will then take you straight to this page here. Now you're here, you can see that you can join their program for free using Awin, and you'll be able to make money, like I said before, without a customer even spending any money. So let me show you how to do it. So when you go through to that page, you'll see that this is their commission structure. There are also other ways of making more money with the affiliate program, which aren't stated here, but I'll explain that in a second. So firstly, if you've been promoting Audible and then someone signs up using the free 30-day trial, you'll receive £4, which is roughly $5. If you then promote the exact same thing for the discount of the monthly membership, you'll receive £7 for that sign up. These are the first two ways you'll actually be making money with this method. But like I said, one of them, you won't even be needing a customer to buy anything and you'll still be making money. Amazon do this as they'll know that most of the time they'll be able to upsell them later to make their money back. Another way, which isn't stated here, which you can make money, is that Amazon will give you then 50p for every audiobook someone buys. So this can add up over the period of a year or so, as well as continually promoting and bringing in more customers. So now, how are we actually going to make money with this method? It's easy to talk about promoting this and then making that, but how can we actually get started with this to make our passive income every day? If you come back into Audible again and then we scroll down slightly, you'll see some of the books that you could start promoting or start using as a theme. So here you have some of the best sellers, you've got the trending titles, popular podcasts. What we could then do from here is find a genre of book or titles that we can group together. So say we wanted to do self-development like Atomic Habits, we could then group this together and create a target audience that would obviously feel the need to use self-development books. So this is someone that's going to be wanting to be better in their life and become better at something, maybe in terms of business. So if we go into this book now, you'll see that it says try for free. So if we promote this book to then someone who wants to sign up, they then sign up through our link, we're then making £4 every single time. Now we have an idea of who our target market might be, we can now use this in our next step. So how can we promote these? What site will give us completely free traffic? And the place that we're going to go is YouTube. Now, don't worry, you won't have to be on camera explaining why these books are so good or even using your own voice. We'll simply be creating these faceless YouTube automation videos to direct a customer to the affiliate link we have in our description. So this can be done in absolutely any category on Audible as well. So you'll have unlimited ideas when doing this strategy. Say you wanted to target people who want to get better at cooking, then you could do 5 best books for cooking, create the video, then add your affiliate link. People will then be seeing that video for years down the line and all the time with your affiliate link in the description, making money along the way. Or say you wanted to do a book about animals, then you could do best books about animals. Same applies then, you'll be making money far into the future. However, with the example I chose earlier, say we have these self-development books. This video here is an automation video. It says they have 5 books you should read this year for self-improvement. If we go into this video quickly, I can show you exactly what this faceless automated video is. So this is all done by either the creator of this channel or they've paid someone else to do it. Either way, both methods can be easily done. It's quite straightforward, 2 images and then something in the background, and as well as some text on the front. They've also got parts of it where they've got quotes as well, which is easily found on the internet. Now in this next step, I'll be showing you exactly how to make one of these videos if you didn't want to go down the spending money on a freelancer route. Either way, both will work, but let me just do some quick maths on this video to show you what exactly is possible before you click off this video and watch something else. So say we have 500,000 views, and let's say only 5% of your viewers downloaded a free trial. So 5% is 27,000. Remember, this is the free 30-day trial, so they don't have to be buying anything. It's completely free from a reputable company as well, so they'll be completely trusting it. So this is then 27,000 people at the bare minimum. That's 5% of people. Say we then times that by 4, which is again the free trial. This will then pay out over £100,000 for just this one video. So if that doesn't make you want to do this method, then I don't know what will. So now you're sold on starting this method today, let's get into how we're going to make these automation videos. These videos should take you less than half an hour to make as well. So if you're going to do this route of making it yourself, you need half an hour of work and then post it. Then the post will be up for the rest of the time and you'll be making money as your views go up. There are many different places you can go to do one of these videos. You could use some paid softwares or you could use some free ones, but the one I always like using for something like this is Canva. So now over on Canva, if you press custom size and then press video, now in the editor, I can briefly go over how you build out one of these videos. With Canva, you can change almost every aspect of the design. You can also change the colors, the text, and so much more. If you just follow along with some of the things that I'll be doing now, you can then make yours look very similar. So like in the other video, they had a black background. So to do this, go here and then press black. That's then going to change the background. They also had some starry little background as well. So to do that, you go elements, search for star. Say we use this one, for example. So you click that, it will bring out here. At the minute, it's quite bold. So what we want to do is change the transparency. You press this button in the top right hand corner, bring that down a bit. So what I'm going to do now is fill out this page slightly and then I'll come back to you afterwards. All you have to do is press it, right click and then press copy, and then you'll be able to paste it all around. Now what you want to do is, so you don't have to keep doing that every single time, is duplicate this page. Press the 3 little dots here, press duplicate page. That's then going to give you the exact same page straight afterwards. So let's do that a couple times. Now we have our first few slides as well. You can also change the times of these, but let's keep that here for now. And now come back to the first one. And this is where we can start adding in all the different books that we saw, or all the top 5 books that we've said, depending on what type of video we're making. So search for this book. In this case, we're using Atomic Habits. What you'll want to do is find an image that looks quite good. You could use just a bog standard one like that, or find one a bit more 3D. And then you're going to save that to your files and then come back into Canva and upload it there. Go to uploads and then upload media, and it'll be here. And then after that, you want to fill it out how you had it, similar to the one in the video. So you can make this a bit bigger and then add them both either side like that. And then after this, what you want to do is fill this out with the text like the one you saw in the video. So to do this, we then head to text, press add a heading, and then change the heading to something like whatever the book's called or whatever you want your viewers to see. We can also animate these as well, so it makes it look a bit more interesting by pressing animate at the top. Say we want something like bursts. Obviously, as it's a video as well, we need it to look slightly interesting rather than just the static text and images. Make sure it also fits with the rest of the theme of the video. So now you've done that, this can obviously all be done on each different of these pages. It may take a bit of time. You'll probably, like I said, you'll be able to do this roughly half an hour to an hour. Remember that you have to make it interesting as well, so viewers are going to be staying and watching, as this is then going to give you more views and more Audible downloads. You might want to add some of the quotes as well from the book, so do some research on it as well to make sure it does well on YouTube. Like I said at the beginning as well, you could also just completely scrap off the idea of making it yourself, and if you've got a bit of money to invest in, you could then come over to a site like Fiverr, and then there'll be plenty of people creating these types of videos for you, so you can just pay them and have it done within a day or two. You'll then want to make sure you're uploading these videos to YouTube and making sure you add in the affiliate links into your descriptions. As well as that, you'll need to make sure in the videos you add call to actions towards the end, mentioning that you have a 30-day free trial so people know where to get it and how to get it. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for future money making methods.